welcome back to bhollisbrand. I'm back to show you my pattern that I'm about to cut out for my loafers. In my last video showing you the pattern, I said that some call it an opera shoe. So what I've grown up with of just calling it a loafer. So I'm going to get started cutting out this pattern. I already have it drawn onto my leather, and now I'm going to cut it out. So enjoy the music while I cut this pattern out. This is the upper part of the loafer, if you can tell the shape of it. Here's a side view. So I'm going to keep on cutting the heel of the loafer out, and please stay tuned and look out for my next video. Alright guys, stay tuned. See you on the next video.